If you're considering buying from Shenzhen XingLian Future Technology Co. Ltd, there are a few crucial things you need to know before making that decision. This company has been a major player in the tech industry, but like with any product, you want to be sure you're making an informed choice. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of how this brand stacks up compared to its competitors, and how you can make sure you're getting the best deal possible. First off, Shenzhen XingLian Future Technology Co. Ltd. has a solid reputation when it comes to providing high-quality tech solutions, but it's crucial to note that they specialize in a range of tech products that include components for consumer electronics, smart devices, and even industrial applications. If you've been eyeing competitors like Xiaomi or Huawei, you'll quickly see some clear distinctions. While these companies focus more on finished consumer goods, Shenzhen XingLian is more about the innovation behind the components that power those devices. Next thing you need to know is the competitive edge in their product development. Their products are often crafted with a focus on precision engineering, which is evident in the performance of their components. But here's the kicker. Shenzhen XingLian often delivers at a more affordable price point compared to similar brands that offer the same specs. The real question, though, is how well these components integrate with other tech products on the market. If you're looking for seamless compatibility, this is something you'll want to consider carefully. The third thing you should consider is the scalability of their solutions. Whether you're looking for components for a small consumer project or larger, more complex industrial setups, Shenzhen XingLian offers flexibility that many competitors don't. It's ideal for businesses or DIY tech enthusiasts who need tailored solutions that can grow with their needs. But it's important to remember that this might not always be the best choice for someone just looking for plug-and-play devices. If you want more user-friendly options with minimal setup, you may want to look elsewhere. The fourth thing is their customer support and warranty service. When comparing Shenzhen XingLian with bigger names like Apple or Samsung, their customer service might not always be as fast or polished. However, the company does offer decent support, especially if you're ordering bulk components for a larger project. Just know that you may need to be a bit more hands-on if things don't go as planned, compared to the full-service support offered by some competitors. Next thing to be aware of is their emphasis on innovation. Shenzhen XingLian is heavily involved in cutting-edge technology development, particularly in the areas of AI, IoT, and automation. This positions them as an ideal choice if you're after the latest in smart device tech or industrial automation solutions. However, if you're looking for something more traditional or simple, this might not be the company for you. They push boundaries, but that comes with a learning curve. Sixth, pricing is a big selling point. Shenzhen XingLian has become popular for offering high-quality products at prices lower than competitors. This is a massive advantage if you're working with a tighter budget, but still want access to reliable, tech-forward solutions. However, while their prices are competitive, it's important to ensure that you're getting the level of quality you expect. Lower cost options don't always guarantee the same longevity or reliability as higher-end alternatives. Lastly, if you're considering purchasing from Shenzhen XingLian Future Technology Co. Ltd, make sure you read reviews and understand what you're getting. This isn't just another tech company, they focus on long-term relationships with their clients. However, be cautious and ensure the products match your specific needs and expectations. If you're buying for an industrial application, double-check the product specs, as some users report slight discrepancies in the actual performance versus the marketing promises. If you want to test out Shenzhen XingLian Future Technology Co. for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below to get access to the best free trial offers and some exclusive benefits.